Give me your thoughts and then tell me, what do you think the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the crypto market's going to do at the end of the year?
I think the market, when equities are going to do well, crypto I'm not sure yet, even though it's logically they should do well. All the targets that all the institutions have for 2025, we're going to go above them. The S&P and NASDAQ, I don't have them from the top of my head. But yeah, I'm remaining bullish for the rest of the year. But when I say bullish, please, I'm not saying go buy the all-time highs of everything you see on your board.
Do your research.
In market as a whole, you have to use some common sense here. Don't go crazy with leverage, buying the top of the top. That's how you get hurt.
Correct. Timothy, what are your thoughts on this?
The reason why I'm bullish on stocks, just because there is a first rate cut that happened. And now we see that based on statistics, every time there's a rate cut, 1 year later, stocks are up. And that's a high probability. So that's why I would say I'm fairly bullish for stocks. Also, even for the end of the year, that we would see a rally. For crypto, I would say I am holding my Bitcoin as long as it's above 100K. So as long as Bitcoin is above 100K, I will be holding my Bitcoin. We are nearing the end of the 4-year cycle, so I'm a bit more cautious on altcoins. But for my Bitcoin allocation, I want to see it stay above 100K. Break below, and we could be into the next bear phase of the cycle. So that's where I would cut some of my positions. It's basically 50-50 whether we're going to end with the last leg higher or not. The shakeout was a damaging structure for most of the altcoins. Now we have to see how Bitcoin can recover. Okay, so hopefully we're going to see it move up again. But we have to have our line in the sand and not just hope 100% and be a bit mindful of what moves can go in the other direction.
I'm cautiously bullish. I'm cautiously bullish, at least in stocks, right? Like, I have to be paying attention because the way that the market feels on a day-to-day basis is jittery, is the way that I would feel it, right? And it's like, there is some froth in some of the companies, like you say, right? Like companies at all-time highs that are currently like, you have like crazy valuations, even in solid companies that that they're not going to collapse tomorrow, right? Companies like Walmart, for example, that still sell over $1 trillion worth of product, but they're sitting at a 50 PE is insane, right? So, but there is a lot of value. There is a lot of value and there's opportunities in the market right now. So if you're willing to do your research and analyze and make sure that you are there, you can still find diamonds in the rough, right? Like there is this Oklo company just overpassed First Solar in market cap. Oklo produces nothing. First Solar has billions in revenue, So it's like, what are we talking about here, right? It's like, because of the dreams and hopes that this company is going to be the answer to all of the prayers that we need. Maybe, right? But I invest in companies that have real things, and sometimes I put a little bit of capital, right? If a company is going to give me $1 million, why do I need to put all of my portfolio there? I can just put 1% and make $1 million. It's like, so don't go crazy.